Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my favorite castings, which is this one. So this is a 47 Chevy Fleetline, and this is by Hot Wheels. So again, this is an imported one. I personally asked my friend to buy this for me, and so this are like 1580, maybe around I think 400 rupees or so. So yeah, so I need my knife for this one. So again, guys, see if you really like some casting like this, then go ahead and buy it, but don't pay for every casting like this. So honestly, I don't even remember that I asked him to buy this one. Even he didn't remember that I whether I asked him or not. But he bought it since it is a treasure, and I personally love this older cars. So I didn't hesitate to take this, and it is a very deep. It is a heavy casting, and it looks really nice. Okay, so you can see the treasure and logo here, and you can see the card art here. So I really wish again they did the full, projected the full car in the card art instead of cutting the rear out. Okay, so let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting it is actually a really solid casting, and so as usual, it is a gloss black. There's a lot of paint issues here. You can see. So I really love this part here. It looks really cool for this casting. And okay, this is a cop car, and it says Hot Wheels Patrol here. Looks really nice. So it doesn't have any headlight details here. It has grill details, which is really good, but doesn't have any headlight details, and doesn't have any taillight details either. And so the chassis, okay, so the body is fully metal. The chassis is fully plastic. So it looks really good because the chassis actually has a lot of detailing here. You can see the transmission and everything here. That's the exhaust details here. It feels like metal, but this is a plastic. So it has interior details also. So they went with this this blue color windshield, which is my personal favorite, but still this, due to the height of this, uh, I mean, literally it is covered, so you can't see the interior really that well. I'm just trying to show you something at least here. So it has some Easter egg inside. Let me see what it is. Yeah, it does have something. Let me. I don't know what that is, but it is there. So, guys, if you guys are watching from other countries like US or UK, so if this is specific to your country, let me know what this is. I originally thought it was a walkie talkie, but it looks like a box with four big buttons. You can see here, right? I'm literally focusing on that. I hope you guys can see that. That is really good. Or it is something just a hand rest. I am not sure. I don't know, maybe a hand rest, I guess. Okay, but overall the casting looks really good. And so the rims are not anything special. It is the standard set of rims they usually use for the main lines. But overall the casting looks absolutely gorgeous, specifically if you are keeping it in this way. I mean, only thing is they could have at least added some headlight details here, like just a white paint, right? Speck of white paint. How much it is going to cost them? I'm not sure. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I'm expecting somewhere around 40 grams at least. Let's see. Okay, 37 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, that does roll really well. See, the casting is actually, heavy compared to how it looks. Even it looks heavy, to be honest, because older cars in general, those are heavy cars compared to the current ones which we are using. I mean, I'm talking about the actual cars. So the front wheel wobbles a lot actually, but still, I don't see any issue with it because it does the job perfectly. I mean, it rolls really well, and even it reaches the end of the track. So apart from, okay, so let's rate this casting now. So everything is really good here. Even the door, door handles and everything is embossed and painted on top of it. I missed to say that one. Actually, it is a beautiful casting. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So, okay, so it doesn't have both headlight and taillight details. So I'm taking point 0.5 out, out of 10 for that. So 9.5. And apart from that, again, so this paint issues are something specific to mine. If you have this casting, maybe the same version which I'm having here, yours might not have this. So let's not, go with that one. So I'm just going with only the common things again. So again, headlights and tail lights, nothing is there. So 0.5. So rest everything looks really beautiful. So 9.5 out of 10. Again, it's a beauty. It's a really good casting. So if you guys are able to get your hands on this one for a reasonable price, so don't overpay. So if you are getting directly from other countries like I did, that's then it's up to you if you want to pay that much due to the conversion rate and all. But if someone is telling you that they imported it, and they're selling it in India, so then it's up. I don't personally don't prefer that. But if you're getting this for somewhere around imported on, if you're getting this for 400 or below that, it is good. So if you guys have this casting in your collection, show me that. I really want to see, because we do have a community in our channel. You can post there. Unfortunately, I'm not able to comment on those posts. I don't know why, but others can do that. Like if my subscribers can talk to each other in the comment section, but I can't able to do that for some reason. I don't know if it is something of an issue only for me, or it is common for everyone. But please post there. I will at least give a thumbs up. So with that said, that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.